Congratulations on completing your journey. You've made it to the end of this 21-day journey, and I appreciate your dedication and perseverance. Although I understand some of you may have faced challenges along the way, remember that the 21 days are here for you to finish at your own pace. Enjoy the journey, and thank you for being part of it. To integrate the recognition of God's essence into daily life, training is essential. Without it, glimpses of God's presence will vanish, and our ingrained habits will distract us. Practice with short moments of recognition many times. Unless we repeat it many times, we never get used to it. It's most important to recognize God's essence again and again. As you grow more familiar with recognizing God's essence, these moments will last longer, and the periods of not recognizing will shorten. Remember the divine presence that surrounds you as we learn it in day 1. Today I behold the divine presence that surrounds me. This presence is always available, guiding us towards unity and peace. It's the force that gives us life, making everything possible. God is not just present in religious buildings, but can be reached through the gateway of the human heart. We can all find God within us. As the saying goes, a true person of God sits among fellow humans, engages in daily activities, and never forgets God for a single moment. God, or the divine presence, possesses inherent power that projects the continuously changing world, borrowing existence from pure awareness. The world emerges from, is known by, and dissolves back into this pure awareness. Imagine a vast, aware screen watching a movie projected upon it, representing the one and only pure being experiencing itself as the changing world. In this analogy, the aware screen represents the one and only pure awareness, while the movie symbolizes the apparent activity projected by its own inherent power. Due to past conditioning, the mind may not know its potential to experience God within, believing itself to be a real, finite, separate self. This leads to feelings of lack, incompleteness, and fear of death. In other words, the mind is yearning to return to its true eternal nature, timeless, infinite, indivisibly whole, and innately peaceful. However, it does not seem to know that it already is what it is yearning for. Remember, what you seek is seeking you. The divine presence is always present, waiting to be recognized and embraced. As you continue on your journey, keep beholding this presence and allow it to guide you towards unity, peace, and the realization of your true nature. I would like to conclude this 21-day challenge with a final prayer, which is also the phrase for today. It is the message on the black screen. The kingdom of God is within you. The kingdom is within your reach if you make the right choices. Now sit comfortably, close your eyes, and let go of all thoughts. Go deep within and mentally repeat these 2 verses. The kingdom of God is within you. The kingdom is within your reach if you make the right choices. Continue to mentally repeat these 2 verses and let it flow with effortless ease. The kingdom of God is within you. The kingdom is within your reach if you make the right choices. When you feel an unshakable faith and conviction arising in you, gently open your eyes, carrying this connection with you throughout the day. From now on, you will be the creator of your destiny,